I would take a punt and say it's another big shed going up. Only got 2 cranes though. I thought there'd be 4 if they're going to lift the roof of a big shed, but interesting. I shall bring the drone and we'll come and have a look. Everybody, first morning on site. You know where the feed bins are, but you haven't been fed yet. Feed you soon. Other guys up here looking. How is everybody? Here we go, first breakfast. First breakfast. As the sun comes up over there. With the other guys watching on. Do you blokes want to feed as well? I take it you do. Steady, Bo. This has been Bruno's domain for years and years. And I don't know whether that's going to be it, but let's just hope it is. I don't know who's supposed to have won that. Let's just hope your legs stay short, Bruno.
Mummy's in season.
Is she?
Yep.
Which one of yours is the stallion?
Same.
I wouldn't want to be on the end of them though.
No, not when they kick like that.
Just as well I haven't got eyes in their butt. Oh, interesting. The bow's no slouch either. All in together this fine weather. Hey men. Well, we did try to integrate them. Turned out to be a big fail. Keeps going like this, it's going to be good. This fellow, we rescued him Melbourne Cup Day 2011. And when I first saw him, I'll put a link to the video where I first trimmed him. Because he had Aladdin slippers and he was rescued by a guy who took him about 15-20 k's from where he'd been. And after I trimmed him, about 3 days later, he'd disappeared, turning up back at where he'd been rescued about 20 k's away 3 weeks later. So he'd travelled all the way from where he was rescued in a horse float that he couldn't see out of and knew his way home. So guess what this fella's doing now? He's been living on the Ponderosa for 10 years. And the whole time, 24 hours or more, he's been here. He's been standing at the gate, wanting to get out on the road. We let him into this paddock, which is one paddock closer to the Ponderosa. And he made his way straight down towards the Ponderosa. So it's a bit of a worry if he's missing. I reckon I've got a pretty good idea where he'll be, and that doesn't worry him if he does head for home. But the traffic, he could end up in a disaster, and I don't want him in here with these guys for the night because that'll stir him right up. So that's Black Bow, look at that. Well, we split them back up again and let them go a few more days and see how they go. I guess we might have happened to have rushed things just a little bit. In the meantime, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the little bell if you want to see new vids when they pop up. And look forward to seeing you next time. All the best. Bye.